Latest on Cyclone Luban, which continues to intensify as it draws ever closer to the Arabian Peninsula, now up to 70 miles per hour, just short of hurricane equivalent status, with a pressure of estimated of 986. The storm moving pretty slowly at this time, but it's located now at 14.3 north, 59.7 east, remains a stage 3 on the CDPS scale, and we expect more movement towards the west or west-northwest over the next few days. 399 miles from Hadibo, 365 from Hasik, 410 from Mazira, 418 from Salalah in Oman, and 643 from the capital Muscat. No official warnings, or as far as I could find at least, no actual warnings in effect, but obviously it's going to be a threat for the coast, and I'm not sure what the equivalent is over there. If it were me, I'd probably be putting out a tropical storm watch by this point along that coast of Oman and Yemen. This is what we expect over the next few days though, the storm to draw nearer. This is the GFS model, slowly taking it towards the west-northwest. It's not moving quickly, and it's not likely to over the next few days, which may stave off its intensity just a little bit, but it still could get to Category 1 status, maybe even Category 2, as it approaches the coast. And there's the GFS calling for a landfall just west of the Oman-Yemen border. So if that scenario was to play out, we'd have the weird situation of tropical storm conditions in Salalah, but the storm making landfall in Yemen. Here's the current sea surface temperatures and land for what good they're worth as well. 28 degrees out at sea, and pretty warm conditions all the way up until landfall, possibly a little warmer along the coast. So here's another look over the next few days. According to the GFS, once again, taking it to Category 1 status, moving slowly with the upwelling of the waters that may prevent further intensification, and eventually just about limping over the coast on Friday. Could still be Category 1 by then, and then moving inland, overland there in the Arabian desert, dissipating and petering out. Now that is the GFS run. Some other models take it further south. These are the chances though of tropical storm force winds: 40% in Salalah, and 75% now in Al Qaeda in eastern Yemen, just along the coast there, and 40% inland in Sayyun in Yemen. So those chances in those locations are rising quite a bit, and will probably continue to do so as we go on. So here's the latest models jumping out at you. There's the GFS saying Category 3 again. That's baffled me. The HWRF might call for a Category 2 there, but staying further south. Wind shear is likely to drop. It already is lower, and the storm has responded, and so we could be looking at the storm intensifying significantly to high-end Category 1, maybe Category 2 status. Who knows whether it could get stronger than that at this point. HWRF gives it the best chance track-wise. And here's another look. You can see to the west there, over the peninsula, just how much dry air there is on that first water vapor imagery. Now for the storm structure itself, it's really been wrapping around in those last few hours. This is about a 6 or 7 hour loop, 12-hour loop this is. And this is how the storm's been developing, not moving very much. In fact, it's moved more north than west in the last 6 hours since we did the last update, and this still bodes watching because it could still strike the coast of Oman. We'll be watching it closely. More updates tomorrow. You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, with the latest. You can also find our YouTube page. You're probably there already, but if not, subscribe if you haven't so far. You can also find our Facebook page, Force 13 all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter if you'd like to get in touch with us on there. You can also help the project become even better by enjoying the benefits of patronage. You can find out more information about how to become a patron and what those benefits are at patreon.com/Force13. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and Fool 13 at extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.